Hi guys, so today I'm going into Central because it's raining and I love me some rain photos, and yeah, I thought I'd do a proper vlog instead of just a POV. I don't know where we're going first. I think either Bank or Piccadilly, so we'll see what happens, eh? So yeah, that's Piccadilly done. I'm coming back here at night. So now I'm going to go to Bank and use the 135. Right, so I haven't actually done much vlogging right now because it's been so wet. I haven't wanted to bring out the mic and the camera because I might like fuck it up. So I've got a load of GoPro footage and I've got a load of photos, obviously, but I haven't got much vlog stuff. So for the rest of the day, the rain is actually calming down now, so I'm actually going to start talking to the camera a little bit more. I don't actually know what I'm going to do now because I was sat in a Pret-a-Manger for ages and it was really nice. But ultimately, I was just waiting for it to get dark. I don't know where to go next. I've been thinking Canary Wharf, but I don't know. I think I'm going to get some city shots with the wide angle now. So, because I've used the 85 Piccadilly, the 135 here, I'm going to stick the wide on and get some more, maybe some look-up shots, which I've already gotten, but you know, no harm in getting them more than once. So we're at the Garden at 120 now. It's a really cool rooftop. If you want to come, it's legal. I'm going to stick the GoPro back on, get some cool B-roll from up here, and yeah. So I'm going to put the 85mm on. It's not ready anymore, so I don't need the rain cover. And yeah, I got a really sick shot of Tom actually, but I wasn't filming, so I'm going to put it on screen now. But yeah, I've never actually been up here at night, so let's see what I can get. Let's see. Right, so we're at bank and Tom is about to jump off the curb. So we're doing long exposures now, as you can see by Tom's camera, and we were at Garden at 120. I don't know if I even got any good shots there. I got one sick shot of Tom with the compression of the 135, so that was very sick, which will be on the screen. But yeah, we're getting long exposures, so Tom's going to get his shots and then I'm going to get mine. Hey, it's okay. So I failed my panning shots, but that's okay. Thanks, mate. But Tom got some cool ones, so I'll put Tom's Instagram in the description.
If it works.
If it works. But you know, you can follow him anyway. That does go down really small, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's what she said. So yeah, I think me and Tom are going to head back now because my feet are hurting and everything, so yeah. Right lads, that is going to be the end of the video. While I'm talking, I'm going to put the photos, some of my favourite photos I've taken today, on the screen. Yeah, it was a great day. Met up with Tom, Ollie and Griffin in the end. I'll leave all the links below. Tom was trying to get some long exposure shots in the end. I don't know how they turned out, but you know, who knows if we'll post them, but I'll leave the links down below. Thank you all for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!